Slider windows are a popular choice for homeowners in Orangeburg, South Carolina, due to their sleek design and ease of operation. These windows are known for their horizontal sliding mechanism, which allows for smooth opening and closing with minimal effort. However, like all home features, slider windows require regular maintenance to ensure they continue to function properly and last for years to come. By taking the time to maintain your slider windows, you can prevent costly repairs, improve their energy efficiency, and extend their lifespan. In this article, we'll explore simple yet effective ways to maintain your slider windows and keep them in top condition throughout the seasons in Orangeburg. Clean the window tracks regularly. One of the most important maintenance tasks for slider windows is keeping the tracks clean. Over time, dirt, debris, and dust can accumulate in the tracks, making it difficult for the window to slide smoothly. If left unattended, this buildup can lead to sticking or jamming, which can damage the window mechanism. To clean your window tracks, open the window fully to access the tracks. Use a vacuum cleaner with a narrow nozzle to remove dirt and debris. For stubborn dirt, use a small brush, like an old toothbrush, to scrub the tracks gently. Wipe the tracks with a damp cloth to remove any remaining residue. Lubricate the tracks with a silicone-based lubricant to ensure smooth sliding. Avoid using oil-based lubricants, as they can attract more dirt. Regular cleaning of the tracks will keep your slider windows functioning smoothly, allowing them to open and close easily without strain. Inspect and clean the window seals. The seals around your slider windows play a vital role in preventing drafts and water leaks, contributing to your home's energy efficiency. Over time, these seals can wear out or become damaged due to exposure to the elements, particularly in a climate like Orangeburg's, where humidity and temperature fluctuations can take a toll. To inspect and clean the window seals, check for cracks, gaps, or tears in the weather stripping and seals around the window frame. If you find any damage, it may be time to replace the seal. Wipe the seals gently with a damp cloth to remove dirt and buildup. Apply silicone spray to the seals occasionally to keep them flexible and in good condition. This helps prevent cracking or drying out, which could lead to drafts or water infiltration. Proper maintenance of the seals helps maintain your home's insulation, reducing the strain on your heating and cooling systems and keeping your energy bills in check. Lubricate the window rollers. The rollers in your slider windows allow them to glide smoothly along the track. Over time, these rollers can accumulate dirt or lose their ability to function properly. Regular lubrication can help prevent this and ensure your windows slide effortlessly. To lubricate the rollers, lift the window out of the frame if possible. Refer to your window manufacturer's instructions for guidance. Clean the rollers with a damp cloth to remove any dirt or debris. Apply a silicone-based lubricant to the rollers to ensure smooth operation. Be sure not to over-apply, as excess lubricant can attract dust and dirt. Lubricating the rollers every 6 to 12 months can extend the life of your slider windows and improve their performance. Check for alignment and adjust as needed. Slider windows are designed to operate on tracks, but over time, they may become misaligned, causing them to become difficult to open or close. A misaligned window can also lead to poor sealing, allowing drafts and water to enter your home. To check for alignment, close the window and inspect the gap between the window and the frame. If the window is not sitting evenly or the gap is uneven, it may need adjustment. If you notice misalignment, consult the manufacturer's instructions on how to adjust the window. Some windows allow for easy alignment adjustments by tightening or loosening screws or bolts on the track. If you're unsure how to adjust your window or if the misalignment seems significant, consider reaching out to a professional window installer to make the necessary adjustments. Inspect the glass for cracks or chips. Regularly inspect the glass panes in your slider windows for cracks or chips. Even small cracks can worsen over time, especially with changes in weather, and could eventually lead to more significant damage. If you notice any damage to the glass, it's important to have it repaired or replaced promptly to prevent further issues. To inspect the glass, look closely at the entire pane for visible cracks, chips, or scratches. If you spot a crack or chip, it's best to contact a professional to assess whether the glass can be repaired or needs replacing. Addressing glass damage early can prevent further complications, such as water leaks, heat loss, or additional cracks, ensuring the continued safety and energy efficiency of your slider windows. Protect the windows from the elements. In Orangeburg, where humidity can be high and summer storms are common, it's important to protect your slider windows from the elements. Consider installing storm windows during hurricane season or using protective covers for your windows during extreme weather events. Additionally, keeping your windows clean and free of debris after storms will prevent buildup in the tracks and ensure the windows operate smoothly. Conclusion: extend the life of your slider windows in Orangeburg. Maintaining your slider windows is essential to ensuring they remain functional, energy efficient, and secure for years to come. By performing simple tasks like cleaning the tracks, inspecting seals, lubricating the rollers, and checking for alignment, you can prevent common issues and extend the lifespan of your windows. By taking a few proactive steps, you can enjoy the benefits of smoothly functioning, secure, and energy-efficient slider windows in your Orangeburg home, while also enhancing your home's overall comfort and value. Regular maintenance not only saves you money on repairs but also keeps your home in top shape, no matter the weather.